Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is going to be a small, tiny Boston vlog. I'm going to Boston for my cousin's graduation and I wanted to film it. So hopefully I get enough clips to be able to put in this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, turn on post notifications to get an update every time I'm posting a video. And let's get started. So today is Sunday and it is around almost 8 o'clock. We are about to head out. And we are going to head to Boston, but first we're gonna stop in another state probably to eat lunch depending on the timing, and then we're gonna go check into the hotel room, and then we're gonna go out to eat with my family tonight, and then tomorrow morning is going to be the graduation, and then we're gonna head back home. So yeah, it's gonna be like a really quick vlog, but hopefully I get some good clips. But yes, we're in Providence, Rhode Island, in Jeff's sandwiches shop. No, my camera! Oh, people are coming. Bye!
No.
Oh?
Yeah, this one's mine.
So we just arrived at the hotel, checked into my brother's room, but we have a room for me, my mom, and my grandmother. It's nice outside, it's like 70-something degrees. When we get to the room, I gotta go on my outfit for tonight for dinner. It's just a simple outfit, jeans and a shirt, because right now I have a sweater and leggings, so. This is our room. TV, dresser, our bed, and there's a sofa bed. We already basically kind of took it apart. The stuff is over here, our stuff. Then we have the view of like a little courtyard. And this is the bathroom. It's so modern. I like it. It's so nice. Look at this. The body wash, shampoo, conditioner, the black. Oh my goodness. The frame, this mirror. Oh my goodness, my hair looks crazy. I look crazy in the camera. I gotta fix my hair, but yeah, it's just looks like this. So simple. I have some wedges on. So I just gotta fix my hair for dinner. We are at season 52. Boston. For my nephew's graduation. Walking through the streets of Boston, going to get ice cream. After that, good dinner. Goodness, they're all the way back there. Look at the moon, guys. That's crazy.
Yeah, look, it's Mars.
Oh, good job.
I know my planets.
You know your planets. Ice cream, really stretchy and good. It was not melting, even though it's not hot, not cold out. But yeah, I finished in the car. Really good ice cream. Walking back to the hotel.
I'm so confused. Is it Sheridan or Marley?
Sheridan Hotel. So the dumbest thing is, you're not supposed to bring bags into the stadium, right? Yes, our bags were big, but one of the guys let me in. But then there was another guy who was like, oh no, you can't go. So annoying. So now I'm back at the car to bring the bags because I'm not leaving them bag check. Like, oh well. So annoying. Shout out to the guy that was letting me through. Why is this elevator going so slow? So funny. It's so windy outside too.
Is especially grateful for the many contributions.
Look at the graduate coming out. How do you feel to be graduated? Look at.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Maybe at grandma's.
Thank you for coming.
Good.
How do you feel? Oh, good?
Yeah, it feels good.
I turned on my car. We're not even going anywhere.
We are in the parking lot and nobody is moving out of this place. Someone needs to direct traffic.
It's